everybody! Yay, I absolutely love making these videos. It is time to reveal the new kit for our August 2025 collection called Minty Lush. As always, if you want this kit, you can get it in one of two ways. Since it is released monthly, we have a little subscription. If you are interested in saving some money, that you can subscribe at www.pinkmonarchprints.com. Everything will be linked in the description of this video. And if you do subscribe, we have a great coupon code for you this month, Minty4, for $4 off your first month of either plan that you choose, or you can get the kit with no subscription on our Etsy. Again, everything is linked. And finally, a few other fun things that in addition to a really amazing kit every month, we have tutorials and inspo here on YouTube and some of our other social medias, a Facebook group where the community can post, and of course, we also offer a bunch of freebies for our subscribers. Okay, that's it. Let's get into showing you this month's kit. Everyone, this is Minty Lush Junk Journal Kit. There are over 50 pages of this gorgeous kit with lots of bright greens, kind of a mint green, pops of orange, kind of this peachy colored orange, and it's really beautiful. So we're going to take a closer look, starting with the envelopes in this kit. We try to do a fun variety of different sizes and shapes and colors. We want you guys to be able to personalize them as well, so sometimes we'll leave them more blank and sometimes we'll embellish them. Then we're going to move on to our papers in this collection. I love the papers in this collection. I really tried hard to select papers that you guys could actually work with, so you'll see quite a few neutrals and some statement papers, a little bit of a mix of everything, so that when you're creating your one-page wonders or projects or journal pages, whatever it is, that you can have the best papers possible to make the best projects. Next, we have kind of a random assortment of some fun items that are in the kit. These are pre-made belly bands. If you want something that's a little bit more embellished, those are perfect. These are flip-flap waterfall pockets, and these are trifolds. Next up, we have one of my favorite sections, which is these kind of tidbits and smaller pieces. But first off, I really want to take a moment to look at these. These are pre-made Fussy Cut collages. We have some words, stamps, circles. We have these pieces that are going to be great for collaging and layering, and these pieces which are also great for collaging and layering. Another fun thing offered in the kit are these double pages and journal cover. So here are some of the double pages. These can just be used to create your own journal, or you can just use them however else you want. It doesn't have to be in that specific way. And then here is the optional cover. Next, we're taking a look at some ephemera / journal card type of pages. So here are our ephemera pages. We have two of them. This one is my absolute favorite. I think it's so fun to find vintage images in the correct colors. This is just some large journal cards. These are specimen cards, which can be used in so many different ways. These are smaller square cards. And finally, some writing space cards. Another favorite section of my own, as well as your guys's, are the Fussy Cuts. So the Fussy Cuts in this set are going to be dark green, mint green, and orange, and they're super cute. Another great section is our pockets and tags section. Again, we like to leave a lot of different sizes and shapes, and we like to leave some blank for you guys, and we like to embellish some for you guys, so there's just a ton of options. We also included in this kit some very neutral pockets and some very neutral tags so that they can be easily embellished with all the fun other elements of the kit. And that, my friends, sums up the kit preview of this kit, Minty Lush. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a lot of fun colors, fun elements, and I'm really looking forward to showing you guys some of the tutorials and things that I've been working on. It's so hard to keep it a secret from you guys, but we are finally here. So again, if you want this kit, make sure to subscribe, or you can buy it separately on Etsy. I will have everything linked in the description of this video if you need the links. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.